Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync flash effects with music beats in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut, then tap New Project. Add your photos or video clips, then import your music track. Then tap on the music track to select it. Listen for beat drops. Tap the marker icon to drop beat markers manually. Each marker marks a spot where an image should switch or appear. The other method is tap the music track, then tap the marker icon again. Select AI beat. Choose between beat 1 or beat 2. Now your markers will auto-generate across the song. With auto snap enabled, drag clips or effects like white flash right onto your marker. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.